Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new video series focusing on Korean house related vocabulary. Whether you are learning Korean for travel, work or personal interest, understanding words related to homes and living spaces is essential. So in this series, we'll explore a wide range of topics from rooms and furniture to household items and more. So get ready to expand your Korean vocabulary and let's start with the first part. So here comes the Korean word for home or house and that is 집. 집. Okay, now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for room and that is 방. 방. Next comes the Korean word for bedroom and that is 침실. 침실. Now you can see that the Korean word for bed is 침대. So chim comes from that. And the Korean word for room, when you are referring to a specific kind of room, then the Korean word for room is 실. Okay? Remember, when you are talking about a room in general, then the Korean translation of room is 방. But when you are talking about a particular kind of room, a specific room, then you attach this word 실 to refer to a particular room. So if you want to say bedroom, then for bed we use the word 침 and for room we used 실. So bedroom, very easy to remember, 침실. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for living room and that is 거실. 거실. Okay, now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say kitchen in Korean. Now there are two words for kitchen. One is 부엌, 부엌, and the another one is 주방, 주방. Both of them can be used interchangeably for kitchen. Okay? Now comes the Korean word for dining room and that is 식당. 식당. Most of you will think that 식당 is the Korean word for restaurant, but it is also used to refer to a dining room in Korean language. Okay? Now let's move and see what is the Korean word for bathroom and that is 화장실. 화장실. Next comes the Korean word for basement and basement is called 지하실. 지하실. Here also you can remember this word very easily. जिहा is the Korean word for underground. Okay? Underground का अगर Korean translation करना है तो आप उसे जिहा करेंगे. And room is 실. So इसका literal translation क्या हुआ? Underground room. So basement is kind of an underground room, obviously. Okay, next comes the Korean word for attic and that is 다락. 다락. And the last one is the Korean word for balcony and it is very easy because it is a loan word. It is called balcony. Balcony. Okay? So today we learned the names of different kind of rooms in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.